Renault Laguna. Okay, the bonnet release is this notch here. Can you see the notch? I'm going to try and do that with one hand. There you see it, just pull back. I've heard the click. You can see the bonnet is semi-released there. So it's right in the middle, underneath the badge. And there's a lever here. I'm pulling it, up it comes. Here's the lever. See, it's the simplest kind. Just reach a couple of fingers underneath and lift it. That's fine. Okay. And the bonnet catch is here. There's the bonnet catch. Okay, job done. And of course, when you close the bonnet, it's absolutely vital to make sure that it's shut. So what I do is I drop it the last few centimetres or inches. Did you hear the double click there? I can't get my fingers in now because it's double clicked. Okay, so just the last few of the bonnet release inside. So it's a black one. It's a little bit more hidden on this car than other cars where it might be bright red. There she is there. You hear that click, okay? You know, job done.